Hi all. Today I want to discuss about how to load avro and parquet files into Snowflake. Let us see what is avro and what is parquet files. First one is avro file. Avro file is nothing but it is a data serialization system that provides an open source format for serializing and exchanging data. Although it is a part of Hadoop project, it can be used in any application regardless of whether Hadoop libraries are presented. Next one is parquet file. Parquet file is a column storage file format designed for use with large scale data processing framework like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and other big data tools. It is highly efficient for storing and querying structured data, especially in distributed systems. Let us see one by one. First one is organized for speed. It organizes data in column rather than rows, making it fast to read and process specific species of data, like a column in spreadsheet without needing to look anything. Second one is space saving. It compresses the data, meaning it takes up less space on your computer or in cloud. Next one is common in big data. It's popular in big data tools like Spark, Hadoop, and Pandas because it works well with large data sets. Let us see in interface. This is the interface of Snowflake. This is the interface of Snowflake. Now I want to load the data into Snowflake. So I'm clicking on data. By data here, these two are defaultly given by Snowflake. And here we want to create a database. By clicking on database, here we want to give the name with by giving this name, database will be created. I already created a database that is nothing but training. By clicking on training, I am creating a schema. I already have a schema. So if you give name to the schema, then it will be created. So I am taking training DB as a schema as I already created, and I am entering into tables. By clicking on create table and form file, I am taking file from local disk. I am taking avro file first. Select a table name, create a table name for this file, avro 4. Avro 4 as an example of, I am creating avro 4 underscore example as a table name. I am clicking next. Data is loading. Here we have to give a column name. I am taking column name as a date. If you take any name as a column name and click on load, the data is loading into the Snowflake. Here, 1,000 rows were successfully inserted into table. So rows are successfully inserted. Query data. So this is, if we run this program, here actual table will be displayed. This is the actual table which we are load in the Snowflake. This is the actual table which we loaded. This is the data of avro file. Next, I want to load about parquet file. Parquet file also same as um, how we download the avro file to the Snowflake. By clicking data in database, we have training database. In this database, we are taking training DB schema. In training DB, go to the tables. In tables, click on create. Here, I am taking parquet file. Open. Here, we have to create a new table name for this file. I am taking parquet 4 underscore example as a table name. Click on next. Here the data is loading. Here we have to name the column name. Column name as a DOB, date of birth. Load. The data is loading into snowflake. This is about 100 rows were successfully inserted. Query the data. If we run this program, then we will get the table information. So this is the table information. Thank you.